How to make your Facebook account completely private on phone. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then scroll down, and here you can see settings and privacy. Click on the settings and privacy, and then go to privacy shortcuts. And when you go to the privacy shortcuts, you can see this option. Under the privacy tab, you have to click on the review a few important privacy settings, and you have to click on the who can see what you share, and click continue. And you have to change all these stuffs to only me, all these settings to only me. And here you can see friends and following only me, and you can choose all. You have to change all this to only me, and see more and only me. You have to and a storage you have to share with your friends, so don't change it. And you can also block someone, so you can add it to your block list, and click next. And so and after this you have to click on the how to keep account, and you have to review all this. And next, and you can, so you this is not an important one. So and you have to click on the hype how people can find you on Facebook. This is the very important, so click on the continue. And who can send your everyone. And then you can also, here you can see the phone number change to only me, and email you have to also change it to only me. And the next stage, so that's it. And after that you have to click on your data settings on Facebook, and continue. And you can also remove this all this uh, remove them also. You can also remove them all these websites which is shared with this Facebook. And then click next, and you can also location services, and it is disabled. So that's basically it, and your account is now in the completely private. So that's it, that how you can make your Facebook account completely private. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and share it with your friends, and comment below that this video is helpful. Have a good day.